Hello guys, welcome to Big Smile Show. Today you are with Aman, and today we'll talk about some apps that help us to explore crafts in this lockdown. As we all must are bored in this lockdown, what should we do? We can explore our creativity in this lockdown. So let's check out some interesting apps that will help us and enjoy us to in this lockdown. So let's start. So here are the some craft apps. So I'll help you. I'll make you see all apps step by step. So first, see this how to make bookmarks. This is not even bookmark. This is all multi-purpose app. Here are bookmarks, notepads. You can see anything. So for example, I go to bookmarks. See, so I like this, and I'll open this. So this app has the facility, and it will help you to see everything detailed. See, it has told you every step nicely, the components, each and every step. Now let's example come to this one. It has the same thing, everything in step. You can star. If you star this, like cookie is my favorite, so like I star it. I have made it favorite, so whenever I'll open it, favorite, the cookie one is my favorite, and now I can unfavorite it too. जैसे अब मैंने यहाँ पे इसको unfavorite कर दिया, click. Now it would be removed from the favorite list. So here you can see anything, trash cans, pencil cases, rulers, sharpeners, pencils, organizers, beautiful emoji organizers, this cute dog organizer, then notebooks will help us you to plan everything, like this beautiful girly unicorn planner. See, so these are the things. Now let's come to the second app. The second app is my favorite one. See, kids craft ideas. Here is a section, latest journal crafts, handcraft, like kids are like decoration ideas, experiment tricks, journal crafts, and many more. So you can explore anything here. So let's say I go to journal crafts. Here I will be able to see every journal craft like this. That craft that is used by mostly everyone. Like it includes 5 minutes crafts and every type of craft that is very nicely for the children. Like here we can come to art ideas. So let's open this. It's loading. So here we can see that swan flower painting. Swan flower painting. The children can enjoy these paintings. See, like the swan flower painting, beautiful for children. See how the painting is done by sponges. You can see this. Like, and you could also see a butterfly painting with a sponge. It's so beautiful. Children will of course enjoy these. Autumn doodle art, and these are many things that children could love. Here are some play also that help the children to enjoy. Here are some things you can see. See, here are some activities on videos, like how to play with bubbles, kinetic sands, monster cardboard costume, how to make it, and many more. So this is my favorite app. This is my favorite, and you must download it. Now let's come to how to make squishies. So cute squishies. See, here we can see many squishies. Like, come to this. This is a squishy with ice cream squishy. I have made this too, and if you want to see this that is made by me, please write in the comment section or I'll attach the thing at the end of the video. Okay. So this is a milk pack, and it's same given every step in detail. So this is also a very good app. Now let's come to like how to make beautiful cute notebooks. So this is a cute notebook cover, like a watermelon color cover if you need a watermelon cover, or many others like this cute rainbow heart. It's a very nice. I also want to make it, and I'll try too, and I hope you'll also try anything of that. So let's come to, and this is a very good thing I need to tell. At every end of this app, like I come to the end, see here you can see. So here are some ideas that are given to you, like how to make bookmarks. You can install this app. How to make school supplies. How to make stickers. I only downloaded one app of this type, and because of these only, I was able to download more interesting apps. And I hope you will be find more better apps than me. So now let's come to a paper craft idea app. This is a different app, and this is full. I even don't know that how big is this, because I have seen this many times, and I think so that this app is endless, because whenever I open this app, the videos continue to come. But here is not in the other one the videos are continue. So this is a very beautiful app. Like this you can see, here are categories divided: paper mash crafts, craft for toddlers, tissue paper flower craft in 5 minutes. Like let's test tissue paper flower craft. Okay, so it's loading. See how beautiful are these flowers made by the tissue paper roses. They are beautiful. You can see, and you can see that like I play, here are flowers, see, made by the tissue box. Now see, like I come to craft for toddlers. See, like this is the craft for toddlers. Like I love this one, and I open this. See, here are the steps, the ingredients, and many other links. There are many other links here too. Like, see, you can see many links here. These are the links to many other things. So this is also a very good app for crafts. Now, here in the video, you can see they are making so good. See, how cute frogs they have made by easy steps. So there are many things like these cute elephants, rabbit, dog, cute rabbit, a cat, a mouse, and very much. It's endless for me. Here are origami animals or two. This app is I am saying again, it is a multi-purpose app. I have recognized this app, a multi-purpose. See, a beautiful horse made, a beautiful unicorn, a Pegasus by a Quellen Trollop. Beautiful. Wow. So these were dye supplies, home decoration. So much is there. See, wow. How beautiful it is. Wow. See. Like I see, this is a wall hanging. Beautiful wall hanging. Here are also many links given. See how beautiful the wall hanging is looking. And they have made this all with very easy steps. These are very good for children, and even parents can try these. These are very nice. Exit. So now let's come to the most nice app for that I know that you all must like, the Dime Bookmarks. This is a very cute app. Let's begin. See how cute. like these Pikachu, elephant, cat. See, they have made it very easily with each and every step detailed. Like I'll tell you. For example, let's see this Elsa, Rapunzel. So here in the Rapunzel, they have taken a A4 paper, A4 size sheet paper, pencil and markers, and they have made this beautiful Elsa Rapunzel. So see with how easy steps they have made this. See, Snow White, Cinderella, Beauty and the Beast, Moana, beautiful. Jasmine, Elsa, birthday cake, ice cream. This is also very big. See, here are also many guides given to you. So, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and like. And I'll attach the pics, the two squishies I have made, and one more thing that I have made from these apps. So, thank you.
또 물 보라를 일으켰다